How to use Truth Social AI. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you are looking forward to use AI on Truth Social, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Truth Social app. And there on bottom of your screen you will find different options. So on bottom middle you will find this option AI. So tap on it. And here you will see this page, Truth Search AI powered by Perplexity. So here on bottom of your screen you will find this message box. So tap on it. And then simply type in your queries. So you can basically ask anything you want. Here let me ask a question, and then once you type a question, tap on this send icon, and within few seconds the AI will be successfully answering your questions. And then if you want to get this conversation going on, simply tap on the conversation icon on bottom of your screen again, and then ask in your queries. So this is how you can use AI on Truth Social app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.